everyone! My name's Chelsea and I'm a model for Lixie Pig Crafts. Today I want to take you through a day in my life, and make sure to watch till the end for bloopers and bonus footage. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm still pretty tired, but the first thing I need to do is go to the bathroom and wash my face. Now I'm just gonna go downstairs and make some breakfast. Okay, so now I'm going to start picking out my outfit. So, this is just my spring wardrobe stuff. So, I think I'm going to go with this red one. So, let me just pull this out and change into this. Wow. There we go. Now I can officially start my day. Now, before I go to tailoring, I just quickly like to talk about this water bottle. It is so amazing. I love it so much. It's very important to stay hydrated, so at this point in the morning, I like to have already finished one of these and refill it. I like to get at least 5 of these in a day. But ask literally anyone who knows me, they'll tell you I take this around with me everywhere. I do everything with it because I'm always trying to stay hydrated. It's super high quality and portable, and by the way, this is not sponsored, but BKR, you should totally sponsor me. Now it's time to go to tailoring. This next video I'm booked for is actually going to be a dress made to custom fit me. So right now, Lixie Pig is just taking my measurements so she can make the patterns. Okay, Lixie Pig just finished the entire outfit. I think it looks amazing. I just briefly appeared in the video, but now it's time to film the intro where I really get to shine. So let's go! Okay, sorry if it's a little noisy back here, but right now I'm outside in the yard. This is where we get all our shots, but it is a very nice area, so let's get going. Okay, I'm finally back inside from the photo shoot, and before I eat lunch, I just want to change into some comfier clothes. Okay, now that I'm all cozy, I'm gonna go make some lunch. I ended up having some salad on the side, but next time I need to use a bigger pan. Okay, I just finished eating lunch, and basically for the rest of the day, I just go on online school. So right now I just have to finish up some assignments that I've been working on. So this is my little office space where I work on homework and stuff. I have my laptop. Right now I'm working on math homework, and I keep all my stuff in this backpack, even though I'm technically not going anywhere, but you know, it just makes it kind of fun. Luckily, I have a binder to stay organized. I'm in 3 subjects right now, and yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. While I'm studying, I also like to have a snack. Today I'm having a mini croissant.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me.
Now for dinner, I'm having some Greek chicken and pita bread. After dinner, I just get ready for bed. Okay, so I just hopped out of the shower, and now is the time where I'm going to show you all how I do my skincare routine. And yes, I'm keeping my shower cap on just to keep the hair out of my face. So I already washed my face in the shower, so right now I just need to use my moisturizer here. So I just get a little bit in there. Then I just rub it all over my face. Make sure to get the cheek area. Oh, we're a little up close and personal, but after applying my favorite serum, I'm going to go in with a gua sha and just kind of contour my cheekbones. I am a model, I gotta be looking good. And then my jawline as well. I like to do this for a few minutes. My skincare routine is pretty minimal, so the last thing I'm going to do is apply some lip balm and really just hydrate them for the night. Nice! Now I'm going to get on my PJs. Okay, I've got my PJs on and I'm basically ready for bed. I'm very tired. It was a long day. But thank you all so much for coming with me through it all. And I hope you liked this vlog and will see more of me in the future. Goodbye and good night. Now we're going to film the intro, which we're a little up close and personal, but after applying my favorite serum, I'm going to just use, nope, a little closer. Thank you all for coming with me through this day, and I don't know what to say. Hi. Okay, I don't know about this. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I'm so tired, but I think I better go wash my face and start my day, so let's get into this vlog. So if you just want to come over to my closet here, it's actually just a box that I keep all my clothes in, so I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna go with this red dress. So yeah, so I'm gonna try this on and be right back.